I'm going to be showing you how to install the Zuri Kinky Ponytail. First thing you're going to do is comb your hair and place it in a ponytail. In this regard, you can place it as a high ponytail or as a low ponytail. Please ensure that your hair is tight enough, but do not cause yourself a headache. Take your favorite brush and comb any flyaways to ensure that everything is nice and neat. Our Afro Kinky Ponytail has 2 still combs and 1 strap. Now you're going to take your favorite mousse and thoroughly moisturize your ponytail, and as you can see, that's the strap I was talking about. Do not tuck that in. Grab a wide tooth comb and detangle from the bottom and work your way up to remove any knots that may be in the hair. Take your time when you do this. Now let us install the ponytail. Grab one side of the still combs and secure that in very close to the ponytail. When you're ready, secure the second still comb. Ensure that this is comfortable and is secure. Now that strap, tie and wrap that around your ponytail until the end. Ensure that it's tight and it's neatly tucked in. And that is it. You are ready to go.
Own your look with TC Hair.